Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In 60 seconds or so, I answered the questions, can I start seeds indoors, not spend a lot of money, and what kind of setup do I need? This is an LED fan light. I will put a link in the description of the video. It has 5,500 lumens, which is perfect. You want over 2,000 lumens. And it is 6,000 Kelvin. You want somewhere between a 5,000 and 6,500 Kelvin rating. You just hook it up to this clamp, screws right into here, and then for seed starting, you would move it down more, closer to the seed starts, about 3 inches. And as the plants get bigger, like in the back, you could raise this up. The fan blades also fold down for more intensity. And as your plants get even bigger, you can transition them over to a window for more light, or you can change this to put light on that way. Your plants need the most light at germination. You can raise it over time. The fan light will cost you somewhere around $20. I'm not affiliated with them, and I will put my Amazon link to my Amazon store so you can find it. So you need a light, about 20 bucks, a clamp, anywhere from $5 to $8, a couple seed starting trays, your seeds, and a foil container that you can get for about $1 at your dollar store. So you can get everything you need to set up for really about $35, and you can start plenty of tomatoes, peppers, herbs, different plants under here, and it's perfect for your first vegetable garden. Hope you give it a try. Seed starting is a lot of fun. It gives you something to do during the winter. Thanks so much for watching.